Good afternoon. My name is Christopher, and today I am going to do a presentation on OSH surveillance and monitoring for the subject code OSHS2400052 on the assignment number 1, presentation on OSH surveillance and monitoring at Wisma Medica Shopping Mall. My name is Christopher Shaw, and my lecturer is Mr. Shen Michael. Wisma Medica is a shopping mall located in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, and completed in 1985. It is one of the earliest shopping malls in the city along with Centrepoint, Sabah, and Karamusing. And here are the location, address, and the business of Wisma Medica is shopping mall. Let's look at the introduction of Wisma Medica. Wisma Medica is one of Kota Kinabalu pioneering and prominent shopping destination. Wisma Medica houses a diverse range of retail outlets, F&B establishments, services, and offices. And Wisma Medica also attracts high volume of daily visitors, shoppers, tourists, and houses numerous tenants, employees, and mall management staff. The importance of OSH in this setting is due to high foot traffic, diverse operation, maintenance activities, public safety concerns, emergency preparedness, and purpose is to ensuring a workplace safety for employees and shoppers through a systematic OSH surveillance and monitoring, and whereby we need to comply with the DOSH Malaysia regulations. OSH monitoring at Wisma Medica. What is OSH monitoring? The definition is a continuous process of observing and checking the safety and health conditions of the workplace. Objective is to identify the hazard, ensure compliance, and prevent accidents. OSH monitoring at Wisma Medica. The definition is OSH monitoring refers to the continuous assessment of workplace hazard and compliance with safety regulations. The method that we are using for the OSH monitoring at Wisma Medica are the safety inspection, regular evaluations of fire exits, electrical safety, security procedures, and general hazard control. Number 2 is a hazard assessment. Identify risks such as slip hazard, escalator safety, air quality monitoring, and constructional integrity inspection. And also the incident reporting system, a manual reporting platform for tracking accident, near miss, and workplace hazard. OSH monitoring at Wisma Medica and method use. This is the safety inspection that we conduct regularly every quarter, every 3 months. So this is the safety inspection by the Suruhanjaya Tenaga, or now they call it ECOS, and together with the SCSB, and checking at the transformer room, the metering room, and other parts of the mall. Okay, the safety inspection, we also do a safety inspection, a visual safety inspection on the motor. This is the AHU motor or air handling motor for the aircon. So we are doing the visual inspection, and also we are also doing audio inspection through seeing and hearing. Okay, seeing, is there any unusual things that happen, for example on the belting, and also hearing, is there any unusual sound coming from the bearing or the pillar or the motor. So these are where we do the safety inspection. This one we carry out every month. At the same time, we also carry we are also monitoring the hazard assessment. Hazard assessment, this is where you can see the staff. Our staff is checking the quality of the water at the cooling tower. And then at the same time, we are doing the dosing to check whether the water quality is compliant or fulfilled with the regulations. Of course, we also have a incident reporting system. Currently, we have the security guard that also involved in the incident reporting, and we are using a manual book and also a walkie-talkie in order for us to communicate with the security guards and also with the maintenance staff. So the security guard, this one is the night shift. So night shift, they are stationed at the CCTV room. Unfortunately, we are not able to give you the photo of the CCTV room due to the compliance. This is how we do the monitoring. Okay, the next one is the OSHS surveillance at Wisma Merdeka. The definition of OSHS surveillance involves collecting, analyzing, and monitoring workplace safety trends over the time. So the tools that we are using for the OSHS surveillance at Wisma Merdeka are the CCTV surveillance, monitoring public areas for safety concerns and security threat. So yeah, and data collector method, recording incidents, conducting workers and visitors safety survey. We have statistical analysis, evaluating accident rates, safety compliance level, and response times to emergency, and trend monitoring, tracking a recurring hazard for safety violations to improve preventive measures. The OSHS surveillance at Wisma Merdeka on the safety inspection side, we have daily checks by the mall management. So at the same time, we also do a monthly inspection by certified safety and health officers. And number 3 is we have hazard assessment, fire risk analysis on electrical and mechanical hazard check, incident report system, tenant and staff report near miss or accident via digital form or hotline. All reports are reviewed weekly by our OSHS committee. Okay, this is where you can see the Mitsubishi lift technician are doing the safety inspection every month. So the checking on the what do you call that, the alarm, to see whether when there is a bell, there is an emergency when you press the bell, and where the alarm will connect to our CCTV room or not. And here the other one is you can see us doing the inspection of the sliding door to make sure that the handle is in order, there's no crack on the glass door. And hazard assessment also, we are checking also on make sure that the fire door is all in order. We check on the door closure to make sure that the door closure is not jammed, is working properly, so that in the event of emergency, so the door will not be stuck. Okay, and also on the right hand side, you can see we are doing the assessment. This one is done by the Mitsubishi technician to check on the lift motor room, okay, to assess the wiring, the floor, because of the vibration, we want to check whether there's a crack on the floor or crack on the wall and whatnot. The incident reporting system, also we have the security guard or team of security guard. This is a day team, and where we communicate through a walkie-talkie, and also at the same time we also have a manual book, like just now you can see a manual book that records all the incident, whether it's small or big, we all record it and we log it down, and we have a regular meeting monthly or weekly or even twice weekly with them to analyze the incident and whether it has been resolved or it has been bring forward or it has been a KIV. In conclusion, Wisma Merdeka has implemented OSHS surveillance and monitoring system. It combines a proactive inspection with data-driven surveillance. This resulting in fewer incidents and improved awareness for a safer more environment for staff and visitors. And the most important thing here is the key continue improvement is the key. So we always looking at continued improvement. And in a summary, Wisma Merdeka combines proactive monitoring, inspection, data-driven surveillance, CCTV analytical for OSHS excellence. Of course, we are still taking the baby steps to ensure all these compliance are being taken care. And the recommendation is we also putting a recommendation to the OSHS committee or the bosses on the AI prediction or focus on crowd surge during the festival. For example, the Chinese New Year Festival, Christmas Festival, Hari Raya Festival, and also the Gamatan or Gawai Festival. And then, of course, we also provide tenant training, quality OSHS workshop on first aid AED, and we also have a public awareness combination with the Bulan Sabit Merah and as well as St. John Ambulance to conduct the public awareness on the usage of importance of the CPR and AED. So here are the references. The references that I gathered here is through our Wisma Merdeka Safety Management document and also a Dodge Malaysia Guideline 2024, Departmental of Occupational Safety and Health, and Guidelines of Occupational Safety and Health Management System, International Labour Organizations, and Occupational Health and Safety Management System required with a guidance for use, and International Organization for standardization. Therefore, here end my presentation. Thank you very much.